very magic, doesn't it? What if I told you it's not magic? It's biology. Wow! Obviously, this is a plant. It has roots and veins. The roots help it absorb nutrients from the soil. The roots also filter out bad compounds. So, we used colored water to water the plant. But as you can see, its color didn't change. It's still white. As you can see, this is not white. This is white. And this is how we started. We used colored water for these flowers and it turned blue. The difference is that this has no roots, only veins. The explanation why the other plant did not absorb as much color is that roots don't let filtered bad water to come into them. These plants only have the veins though, which suck the water up. Plants and flowers feed from the soil. They absorb all the nutrients they need from the soil. What we did was use different colored waters for these flowers. The different chromophores stain the white flowers in different colors. This is the principle of capillary action in real life. You can use this to color your flowers too. Just add any food coloring to water and watch your flowers change overnight. As if by magic, science is magic. If you like this video, make sure to like